Hello, I'm Andrew Jasper, one of the co-founders of Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to set up anchor links using the scroll to feature. Pretty common thing that we see a lot of users doing. As you can see with this design here in Figma, we have different links set up right here in my design. What I want to do is have these set up in Quest so that when I click on them, it pushes the page down, scrolls down to something else in the page itself. Pretty common thing we see in landing pages, right? So, with the Quest plugin open, I'm just going to call this navbar, select the frame that I want, and hit export. Now to jump ahead a little bit, I already have this set up. We're going to go right here, and now in Quest, as you can see, this is everything that came through from the Figma file. I have my links here. This is a link 1, 2, 3, 4 as I had it set up in Figma. So basically what I want to do is just set up this reach more and go and add a feature to it. We're going to go, when I click on it, click tap, we're going to go scroll to, and then I just need to pick where I want that to go. So that's actually the video. So I know that when I click on this, you can see this here. This is my video right here. So I just want to click that and have it scroll down to that. So to take a quick look at that, you're just going to hit preview. And now that that's set up, I get a little hand icon, and when I click on that, it scrolls right to where I want it to be. Super easy to set up. I can do the rest with the rest. Set them all up. Just to quickly show you, this is a smooth scroll. I can also have the option to do snap to element, which would just do that instantly. So when I hit reach more, immediately I'll be at that section. So there you go. Super easy thing to set up. Really common thing for landing pages. Don't forget to subscribe to Quest in YouTube and get more at the quest.ai/Figma for the plugin and just to learn more. Thanks for watching.